What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you why I'm creating this specific pen, why I'm trying to revitalize this product right here, this Mermaid Baby Shower printable game set. Why I know it's a proven winner, okay, because I've made over 340 bucks off of it, okay. But as you can see, sales have dropped, okay, but there's still traffic everywhere for this keyword, Baby Shower Mermaid. This keyword, you know, people still are searching for this. It's a tiny little keyword, but it's a tiny keyword that does bring in sales, as you can see from my profit report here. So this particular product does sell, and there is still traffic to be had, and that's why I'm creating this specific Mermaid Baby Shower printable game. Now I'm going to show you how I'm creating this specific pin, okay, from scratch. I'm going to deconstruct this and show you everything I do to create this pin, okay. So my preferred traffic source when it comes to my printables is Pinterest, okay. Now Pinterest is an amazing platform because it requires very little work, and you can actually start generating free traffic to any niche you want, and you know, turn that traffic into leads and sales, okay. So you can send that traffic directly to a lead capture type of blog page, or you can send traffic directly to a product and convert that traffic there, okay. In this example, I'm going to send it to this particular offer, these printable games, because you know it does sell, okay, passively. There is traffic there. I just have to get it back, and I know I got it from Pinterest before, so I have to get it back, okay. So this pin, okay, let's strip it down to nothing but the two images. This little image here I got, I had made for $5 off of Fiverr. You can go to Pixabay and get other public domain images. Now public domain image just means you have the rights. Anybody has the right to sell it or use it any way they want, okay. They can use it, they can share it, sell it, whatever they want to do. It's public domain, okay. So this is the image I'm using. This is the main image for my printable game here. My printable games, they use this particular image, okay. So I have this blank background. First thing I want to do is add my video background. So I go to Canva, click video, I put in ocean because it's mermaids. I'm going to use this particular video pin, and I'm going to expand it out until it reaches the edges of my pin, okay. Very simple stuff. Canva is a free tool. I mean, they have a paid version, but I don't use a paid version. I don't know who does, truth be told, okay. Now I have my background here. I want to go to elements, and I'm gonna look for a square, okay. The square here is very easy to you can easily change the dimensions to square, to a rectangle, elongated. You can do all kinds of really cool things with this square. So I just click on the square image, and I just start messing around with it and changing its size to fit the pin, okay. Very easy stuff. Now I'm gonna go with a simple black background, just like that, and I'm gonna position it, clicking this position button, click backwards so it reveals the image. Very simple stuff, okay. Now I'm going to go to elements again, go to stickers, okay, and I'm gonna go to stickers mermaid, okay. Stickers are a GIF type of elements that you can add to your pins, okay. So I'm gonna add that just like that. I clicked on it and it just centered automatically. Now I want to put some text in. Before that, I want to put a brush stroke. So again, go to elements and put a brush stroke. Okay, now I have more free guides showing you how I do Pinterest SEO, how I upload Pinterest images, all that good stuff. So check out the description below. Check out the links to find out how I get traffic, free traffic, and make a full-time living online with Facebook traffic, Pinterest traffic, and YouTube traffic. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this brush stroke and add it towards the top here, like that. Now I'm gonna put some text. Okay, so I'm gonna go to text. Usually I like to use two different types of fonts. Doesn't really matter the fonts, just as long as you think it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna add this font here. Put in the words mermaid. Okay, I'm gonna put this font, this text at the top here, and I'm going to change it to something that pops. This aqua blue. I'll make this one here aqua blue, very bright, and I'm gonna change the font to Hussar. This Hussar option here, very good, just like that. And I'm also gonna copy that, bring it down here. I'm gonna also write in baby shower. Actually no, mermaid print. I'm gonna put in the word printable, like that. Okay, and then very nice. And then I'm going to copy that. Okay, I'm gonna put it right down here and put in games. I'm change the font because you don't want too much of the same font. Anything works, really, it depends on you. And I'm gonna change the color. In this example, I'm using Big Cubic, and I'm gonna change the color to white. Okay, now I'm gonna copy that again. I'm gonna bring it to the top here, and it's both white, so it's not gonna work. I'm gonna go on the color here and click black. Okay, and I'm gonna type in baby shower. And I'm gonna decrease the font size so it fits into the brush stroke here. Let's go with 656. Oh, it's too small. Let's go with 80. Let's go with 100. Very good. And you can also play around with the styling or the angle of the text. I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna angle it off to the side a bit. Actually, I like the one I created with you more than my original one here. This is my original one. I like this one more. Actually, I'm gonna change the white brush stroke to that type of blue. And yeah, just like that. I like this actually more than this one here. Now, I already went ahead and I uploaded it to my Pinterest account for my baby shower site. Now, again, I have more information about that below, how I do SEO, how I have this little SEO tool I had developed for myself that helps me a ton with my Pinterest traffic. I also give you access to this for free, so make sure you check it out down below. And again, you can make a full-time living online with these types of products. Okay, I do. I make a passive income online with printables, KDPs, PODs. I profit online in several different ways, but this is one of the main ways, one of the easiest ways, one of the newbie-friendly ways that I recommend. Okay, and I just showed you how I'm gonna try to increase the sales from this particular product because I know there's traffic. That's right. I know there's traffic here, and all I have to do is put in the right pin in front of my Pinterest visitors, my Pinterest subscribers, and get that traffic back to my site. Okay, take care, have a wonderful day, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, I make money online off of mermaids, pink elephants, flat earth even. Hell, I made money off of shrimps and nuns. I make money off of nuns, off an image of a nun. Listen, anybody can do this. Okay, and don't forget to check out the videos that you see on this video. Check them out. They're gonna help you out. I have a lot of free case studies, tons of guides. Just take action. It works. It works. Okay, so do it. If you have any questions, leave any comments. I'll answer them. I'll get to them as soon as I can. Okay, be good.